There's a moment when you step outside and everything just feels right. The space flows, the details connect, and the whole area feels like it was designed with purpose. That feeling doesn't happen by accident. It starts with the right foundation. And one of the most underrated elements of any great outdoor space is the steps. Today on Decor Like Dream, we're breaking down patio step ideas that will genuinely make you fall in love with your outdoor space all over again. Think about the first thing people notice when they approach your patio. It's not the furniture or the plants, it's the entry. Steps set the tone before anyone even sits down. A well-designed staircase communicates style, intention, and care. Whether your home leans rustic, modern, or somewhere beautifully in between, your patio steps should reflect that personality. Getting this one element right creates a ripple effect across your entire outdoor design, making everything else look more polished and pulled together. Natural stone is where so many great patio designs begin, and for good reason. It carries a raw, organic beauty that feels connected to the earth in a way manufactured materials simply can't replicate. Flagstone, bluestone, and fieldstone each bring their own character, different edges, different colors, different stories. Laying them in an irregular pattern adds a relaxed, lived-in charm, while a more uniform cut gives off clean, sophisticated energy. Either way, natural stone ages gracefully and only gets better with time. If you want something bold and contemporary, concrete steps with decorative finishes are having a real moment right now. Exposed aggregate, acid staining, and geometric scoring can turn what sounds like a basic material into something genuinely eye-catching. Concrete is incredibly versatile. It can be shaped, colored, and textured to fit almost any design vision. It's also one of the most durable options available, standing up to heavy use and shifting weather without losing its good looks. For modern patios, it's honestly hard to beat. The final detail that pulls every patio step design together is lighting. Subtle step lighting transforms an outdoor space after the sun goes down in a way that almost nothing else can match. Solar accents, low-voltage recessed lights, or warm LED strips along the risers create a soft glow that makes your patio feel safe, sophisticated, and incredibly inviting. It's a finishing touch that costs relatively little but adds enormous value, both visually and practically. At Decor Like Dream, we always say the best spaces work just as beautifully at night as they do during the day.